practice, practitioner, pragmatism, predator, procedure, precipitate, precisely, precise, predecessor, prediction, predict, predominantly, preference, prejudice, premise, pre-paradigmatic, presence, present A with B, preserve, presumably, presuppose, prevent, previously, previous, primarily, primary, primitive, principal, prior, private, prized, process-oriented, process, profit, profound, progressive, progress, prohibit, projection, promote, property, proper, proponent, proportional, proposal, perspective, prosper, provide A with B, provide B for A, provision, provoke, proximity, prudent, psyche, psychiatric, psychoanalytical, psychologically, psychological, puberty, public opinion, publication, publish, purchase, purify, purpose, pursue, pursuit, put forth, puzzle, quality-oriented, quantum, quell, questionable, questioning, radically, ragged edge, raise, random, range from A to B, range, rapid, rapidly, rather, rationalist, rational, ration, rattle, raw, reaction, reality, realize, reap, reasonably, reasoning, reassure, rebel, recall, reckless, recognition, recognizable, recognize, reconstruct, rectify, recurrence, reduce, refer to, reference point, reflection, reflect, reform, refrigerator, regard A as B, regarding, regardless of, regionally, regularly, regulate, regulation, regulatory, reign, reinforce, reinvent, reject, relatively, relative, relativism, relevance, relevant, reliable, relieve A of B, religious, relocation, remarkable, remotely, render, rent, replacement, replant, representation, represent, republication, reputation, rescue, researcher, resemble, resentment, reservation, reserve, reshape, resident, residue, resistance, resolution, resolve, resource, respect, restraint, restriction, restrictive, restrict, result in, retain, retaliate, retard, revenue, reverse, revert, revolt, revolution, revolve, rhyme, risk, ritual, roadblock, robust, roughly, ruler, rush, sacrifice, safeguard, sanction, sarcastically, satellite, Saturn, savage, scholarly, school, scornfully, secondary, security, selectively, select, self-esteem, self-interest, senator, sense, sensible, sensitive, sensitivity, sensory, sentiment, separate, serve, settlement, settler, severely, severe, shallow, shameful, sheer, shield, shift, shrapnel, significantly, significant, simplify, simultaneously, simultaneous, skeptical, skepticism, slate, slaughter, slavery, so-called, socio-economic, solar system, solely, somewhat, sophisticated, sophistication, sorely, sought after, source, sovereignty, space debris, speak out, specialist, specialize in, species, specifically, specific, specify, speculate, sphere, spiritual, splendid, sponsor, square, stable, staggering, stand still, standardize, standard, standpoint, starvation, state, status, steady, stem from, stereotype, stimulus, straightforward, strand, stranglehold, strategically, strategy, streamline, stream, strength, strict, striking, strive, structuralist, struggle, stuff, subatomic, subordinate, subsequently, substance, subtle, suburban, sufficiently, sufficient, suit, superstition, supervise, supplemental, supply, support, supremacy, surety, surpass, surplus, surrounding, surveillance, survey, survival, suspicious, sustainability, sustainable, sustain, swarm, swell, switch, symbolic, symbolize, symbol, sympathy, synonym, systematically, systematic, tactic, taxpayer, televise, temperament, temperature, temporary, tendency, tenet, tension, tentatively, term, territory, Thatcher, the planet, the press, theatergoer, theme, theology, theoretical, theory, thoroughly, threaten, threat, throw, timber, tolerance, tout, toxic, track event, track, trade, tragedy, transaction, transition, translate, transport, trap, trauma, treatment, tremendous, tropical, ultimately, ultimate, unambiguously, unanimity, unavailable, unbiased, unconnected, uncontrollably, undergo, underlying, undermine, underprivileged, unfeasible, uniformly, unintentionally, unity, universalize, universal, universe, unjustified, unjust, unleash, unlimited, unprecedented, unrealistically, unrecognized, unsettling, unsuitable, unwitting, uphold, urge, utilization, utilize, vague, validate, validity, value judgment, value, vanguard, vantage point, variant, vastly, vast, vegetarian, vehicle, ventilate, venture, Venus, verb, verifiable, vice versa, view, villain, violence, violently, viral, virtual, vision, voluntary, voting, vulnerable, wagon, warn, wastage, welfare, whereas, willfulness, witness, worship, worthless, yield,